Magic Ear's secondary reward system has changed my life.
The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit! Attention online ESL teachers, we have an important announcement for you regarding secondary rewards. Are you an online teacher struggling to create an interesting reward system? Are you creatively challenged? Handling scissors and working with laminators got you down? And storage? What a nightmare! It's enough to drive a teacher to tears. Does this sound familiar? Are you afflicted by secondary reward system paralysis? Introducing the Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit! The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit takes all the work out of secondary rewards. Everything you need is included in this easy system. No more struggle to find secondary rewards that students will like. No more fighting impossible tools like scissors and laminators. Would you like to end the daunting quest for secondary rewards once and for all? Well, now you can! End your frustration today with the Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit!
About a year ago, I was diagnosed with a really severe case of secondary reward phobia. I know, it's been a really rough 12 months. But because of the Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit, my life has changed forever. And now I am truly free.
The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit!
I have virtually no discernible skills whatsoever. So, making something from paper? I knew that wasn't going to happen. Before my Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit arrived, I was angry, frustrated, and confused. But, since my kit arrived, I've been happy every day, knowing I never have to see those pesky scissors again.
Secondary rewards can be a costly, time-consuming, and organizational nightmare. They can be difficult to make, store, and use, but thanks to this revolutionary system, teachers everywhere are ditching their old reward systems and improving their lives forever.
Secondary rewards, you're going down.
Magic Ear's teachers all over are raving about the Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit.
I'm raving.
Teachers are shocked by how simple it is.
I'm shocked by how simple it is.
The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit.
It's like nothing I've ever used before. No, y'all, for real. There's like nothing in it.
That's right, there's nothing in it. The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit. The Magic Ear Secondary Reward Kit. Order your Magic Ear Secondary Reward System today by applying to be a Magic Ear teacher. This product is meant for educational purposes only. Any resemblance to real persons living or dead is purely coincidental. Void where prohibited. No assembly required. Use only as directed. It's not a limited time offer. Available in all 50 states, Canada, pretty much everywhere. No purchase necessary. Do try this at home. Allow 0 to 0 weeks for delivery. Open immediately upon receipt. Satisfaction guaranteed. Or Magic Ears will replace the kit entirely at no cost to you. Apply today.